Well, we're back. We're at the Leech Pond, but today I'm gonna show you putting traps out just for a minute because holy smokes, the mosquitoes are horrible. And today I was gonna get chicken livers, what I usually use, chicken livers. And we got chicken gizzards. So the guy in the last video that was like, use chicken gizzards, I'm sorry about it, bud. They were $2.80 and they were out of livers. So I'm gonna stuff the traps full. These mosquitoes are wild. So let's go. Let's stuff some traps full. Let's put traps out and then we'll be back. Oh, do the old yeah, this should work. Oh yeah. All right, toss some of this in here. I don't know, this isn't as juicy as the chicken livers are, so I don't know how this is gonna produce. I really don't know. So we got one there. Keep moving. Mosquitoes are gonna get you. All right, there's another one ready to go. Here's another one. Throw it in there. Just, you know, yeet it. Just yeet your chicken gizzard into there. Oh my goodness. Bend over an edge. Slide your slip knot together. Give her a little bit more. Old Chinese finger trap there. There we go. Oh, well, good enough. Toss that one there. We'll put one down in here. Maybe this one I'm gonna go just a touch further and go out here with this one. There we go. Last time I caught most leeches down here, so I'm gonna put my last two traps down here. Well, that one's stuck. So this one's gonna go there, since that one's stuck. And then this one's gonna go here. What I think has been the ticket is being like on the edge of the grass into the water. I don't know. This is like my second time. Who do I know? What do I know? So just like that, I have 1,000 mosquitoes behind me. Leech traps are out and I'm out of here. We will see you guys in the morning. All right, back at it, guys. Here we are. We got leech trap number 1. Let's check it out. Right here. Got some on the outside already. Take a peek. Look at that. Sweet. Let's see what this one's got. Not as many, but we still got some leeches. One, two, there's that one. We got another one right here. Don't know where my rope is at, but we're gonna just go for this one. Found the rope. Oh, there's a good one. There's lots of them in this one. Bye-bye. Calling some more leeches by putting the gizzards right in the water. Look at those. Look at all those. We got a pile in this one. Oh, goodness gracious. Look at all them leeches. Oh, this one's got some in it. I didn't bring the bucket to this one, but good thing this guy's got a good crimp on the end of it here. Last trap, let's open this one up. There we go, look at that. There's some leeches, guys. Holy cow, look at all these. All right, so not a bad morning, just out doing a little turkey hunting too today, trying to film a video for that, but we got some leeches this morning, guys. Not Not like our last haul, but we definitely got a few in there. We'll get back to the house, get them cleaned up, and show you them later. Well, out in the garage looking at what we got for leeches here, and we did pretty good this is just this morning. We did pretty well. We got some super nice panfish leeches, probably catch some walleyes on some of these. Look at them things. But we had to make her quick because we had some turkey hunting going on, and so I'm gonna clean these up, get rid of these chicken gizzards in here. Maybe I'll leave them in for them to eat on or something. I don't know yet, but I'm gonna clean this up and we'll be back. Just working on cleaning these guys up here. And I got my other bucket here. Just kind of scooping into this one, putting them in to this one nice and slowly, and usually the grass will stick right to the net, and it is again. So I'm gonna work on getting these guys all in here. Look at that already. I only did like 2 scoops and it's just full of leeches. I mean, gosh dang it, that's good. We are gonna catch some fish. All right, finish up here. Well, that's about it. One morning of trapping leeches. Gotta add a little bit of water to these guys. The ones that I got last time, like I said, I keep them down on the floor. Here they are. Gotta do a little water change on them yet, but you can see they're doing just fine, hanging out. So I'm gonna drain the water there, empty that water, put some new fresh water in them, and we got a whole another batch to go here. So hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks for watching the leech videos, and we'll see you next time.